Good morning. Happy Friday. It's Brett here with Directors with this week's market recap. So, as always, liking to start off with the closing prices of the 10-year note for us. So, Monday closed at 4.632. Tuesday, 4.441. Wednesday, 4.535. Thursday, 4.445. And the current price today so far, 4.455. So it's a big milestone to have a couple days in a row now closing below 4.5%. That was a resistance point. So we're really going to hopefully see some momentum pick up from here forward. So this week, guys, was a great week. Tuesday and Wednesday inflation data came out, both showing inflation continuing to slow. And that's a huge sign. So that really helps shift the mindset in the market to say, okay, the Feds at this point are done raising rates. Now, that's not necessarily from the Feds themselves, but it's how the market's perceiving it. And that's the way data is trading, which is huge for us. So last week, markets were really struggling with the fact of, are the Feds potentially going to raise rates one more time? This week, completely different mindset again, with not only are the Feds done in their mindset, they're now talking how soon will the Feds begin to lower rates? So a huge shift in the market mindset. As I've been mentioning for a couple of weeks, we have these economic cycles. The last 20 months or so has definitely been the up cycle, where unfortunately, from the Fed side and just the market, we've seen everything rate-wise really increase up. Now, the last couple of weeks, we've starting to enter this next phase of the plateau or the leveling off. It's a huge change for us to see that cycle. And that next phase will be eventually followed by the decline. Now, tough to know exactly when the Feds will start lowering rates. There's estimates mid next year, maybe end of next year. But I think at this point, just super excited to see us out of that long 20-month phase of only going up into now this plateau. So at this point for us, I really think it's key for us to try to help explain this and spread the word to our clients. I feel like there's been so many clients on hold that are kind of waiting for something. This is what we've been waiting for, the next cycle to hit for us. I think there's an excellent window of opportunity here while we're in the plateau phase. Rates are improving somewhat. You can still negotiate great with sellers, yet that pending refi is that much closer since we're into the next cycle. I think this window is only going to last so long for us. At some point, the masses are going to get back into the market, really change that supply and demand curve and push price back as we've seen for so many years in our neck of the woods. So all in all, very excited to see this week. It's a great sign of the next trends. As always, any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have an awesome weekend here. Thank you. Bye.